I'm Brian Farr from Parklands Church in Swansea. I lead a church in the Sketty Park area. They've been quite exciting times that we've been going through and seeing people come to faith. And one of the means of seeing people come to faith recently has been through the traditional means of funerals and weddings. We've had a number of occasions over the last number of months where I have had the opportunity of just speaking in funerals and weddings and just being passionate about the gospel in those settings. And people have just been intrigued that if you can speak with a degree of eloquence and be passionate about something, then they are interested. And the number of questions that I've had about faith has been overwhelming. There's been one instance where a guy in a funeral came on to me and wanted to build links with the church, and he said to me as I met with him afterwards, "I want to belong before I believe." And so we've taken him at his word and we've tried to build relationship with him so that it's not threatening, taking him through an alpha course, and it's just been beautiful to see how he has just come and built relationship with the church without necessarily having believed. We believe that is going to be the next stage of his journey. So that's been exciting, and he's also then come and been involved in some of the life of the church. Something that we've done recently is a night shelter in Swansea, where a number of the churches in the city have got together and provided a night shelter. BBC News had coverage over it, and it's just been wonderful to see this guy who I contacted in a funeral come through the Alpha course, want to be involved in caring for the homeless. It's been brilliant. He's not come to faith, but this is a story that I'm so excited about, and I believe one day he will come to the Lord.